Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. The R050 magnetic power bank is a compact and efficient charging solution designed to keep your devices powered up on the go. With a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, this portable battery pack offers fast charging capabilities, ensuring that your devices remain functional throughout the day. Its wireless QCPD 20-watt fast charging feature supports a wide range of smartphones, including iPhones, making it versatile for various devices. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving, and that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. When your four-legged companion spends hours alone, boredom can lead to anxiety. That's where Dog's Play steps in, crafted specifically for pets. From streaming calming content to making two-way video calls with their favorite humans, Dog's Play transforms everyday routines into meaningful connections. With Dogflix Entertainment, your dog can unwind with curated shows designed to ease separation anxiety and reduce stress. The two-way video calls let you check in from anywhere with crystal clear visuals and responsive audio calibrated to canine perception. In the world of visual storytelling, precision and flexibility define the outcome. Zootbox Studio steps in as an adaptive creative ally. Built around a fully open, magnetized aluminum cube, it delivers a new era of customization. This 12-inch cube features a robust magnetic frame that enables secure, tool-free attachment of accessories, lighting, cameras, and modifiers. Designed with creators in mind, Zootbox Studio brings unmatched accessibility and control. The Brevoy Espresso Maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. Relaxation is within reach with the Conair hands-free soothing massage device, a smart solution for relieving stress. The unique design uses innovative finger technology, mimicking natural hand movements for a deeply effective massage. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or needing a quick break, this massager offers customizable comfort with 3 adjustable speed settings. It can target areas like your neck, shoulders, lower back, and thighs, perfect for easing tension from sitting or standing too long. Feel the difference in oral care with advanced microcurrent technology. The Traumat's microcurrent toothbrush redefines how you clean your teeth, without vibration, without noise, and without damage. Instead of relying on bristles and sonic force, this sleek, lightweight device delivers silent, soothing microcurrents that deeply cleanse the gums and enamel. It's ideal for those with sensitive teeth or gum concerns, providing a calming yet thorough clean you can't get from standard brushes. From early morning runs to weekend hikes, the Haki Mix V blends cutting-edge tech with practical wearability. More than just a smart visor, this device redefines hands-free audio on the move. Its bold, tie-dye pattern and sleek emblem project confidence without sacrificing utility. While the packaging, a refined blue box, underscores its premium quality. Quick charge technology delivers up to 75 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes plugged in. When fully charged, you're equipped with up to 8 hours of talk time or continuous music. The Guvis G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. Zera Grow revolutionizes hair regrowth with cutting-edge technology designed for your convenience. Harnessing the power of 650 nanometer medical lasers, it offers the ideal wavelength to stimulate hair follicles and promote natural regrowth. This smart, lightweight device is engineered for effortless use, requiring only 15 minutes per week to make a difference. Featuring 80 medical-grade lasers, Zera Grow employs a sophisticated detection system to tailor treatment to your needs. Under the relentless summer glare or in high-altitude wind, gear that multitasks is invaluable. The EcoFlow Power Hat answers that call, a wide-brimmed solar charging hat engineered for real-world outdoor performance, designed for serious treks, high-elevation climbs, and backwoods exploration. This hat shields your face and neck with a 5.5-inch brim while quietly converting sunlight into usable power. The LiveScribe Symphony is a cutting-edge smart pen that seamlessly merges traditional handwriting with modern technology. Designed to capture everything you write, draw, and hear, this pen connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, offering the perfect blend of paper and digital convenience. The integration with the LiveScribe Plus app transforms your notes, making them interactive and easier to manage. As you write, the Symphony records audio in tandem, allowing you to revisit any part of your notes with precision. Striking a balance between futuristic design and practical function, this speaker redefines what a modern audio device should look and sound like. The Gravistar Supernova doesn't just play music, it turns any space into a performance stage. Housed in a rugged zinc alloy shell with mechanical accents, it's built for both aesthetics and durability. Measuring approximately 5.9 inches in height, this compact unit fits effortlessly on a desk, nightstand, or picnic table. Precision and balance define the essence of this ergonomic marvel. Designed for extended sessions at a desk or workstation, this chair features an auto-following backrest and headrest, which intuitively track your spine and neck movement for seamless support. Whether you're leaning forward in focus or reclining to unwind, the chair synchronizes with your natural posture to maintain optimal alignment throughout. The auto-adjusting headrest responds to your seated angle without manual input. It lifts, tilts, or lowers automatically to cradle your neck precisely where you need it. Built for demanding power users and travelers alike, this powerhouse redefines what portable charging can achieve. Ugreen's advanced 145-watt power bank supports PD 3.1 and QC 3.0, delivering high-speed charging across 3 ports. The USB-C 1 port alone pumps out up to 140 watts, enough to bring a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 56% in only 30 minutes, keeping productivity unhindered even during brief layovers or work sessions. Elevate your home bar with a refined touch that merges precision and performance. This innovative ice sphere maker crafts 2 crystal clear spheres in just 50 minutes and securely stores up to 10 in its compact, frost-resistant chamber. The perfect match for bourbon, scotch, or any cocktail that deserves a chilled yet undiluted finish, these slow-melting 2.4-inch spheres add both function and elegance to your glass. The U-Atom Origin 800 is a versatile, high-performance portable power station designed for those who need reliable power on the go. This unit provides an impressive 800-watt AC output, making it capable of powering a wide range of devices from electronics to appliances. Its swappable and detachable power banks allow users to extend battery life for prolonged use, giving flexibility for longer trips or emergency situations. Recharge times are fast, with a complete charge taking just 1.9 hours, ensuring minimal downtime. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. Motorola's innovative approach to smartphones introduces a flexible device that redefines how we interact with technology. The phone is equipped with a highly adaptable OLED display, allowing it to bend and reshape to fit a variety of uses. This design doesn't just serve as a novelty, but offers practical applications, such as wrapping it around your wrist like a stylish bracelet or folding it into a convenient stand for hands-free use. This revolutionary technology blends form and function, giving users the freedom to personalize the device in ways traditional smartphones cannot. Stay active without sacrificing your time or comfort. The Cursor Fitness under-desk elliptical machine transforms passive sitting into low-impact motion, seamlessly fitting beneath desks and in front of chairs for convenient daily movement. Whether you're clocking hours at your computer, enjoying a book, or watching TV, this compact elliptical helps burn calories, ease joint stiffness, and strengthen muscles, all without leaving your seat. A clean kitchen begins with smarter waste management, and the Dose C1 makes that shift effortless. Engineered for households that want real change without sacrificing space, this sleek unit transforms everyday kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost in just 2.5 hours. From banana peels to coffee grounds, it handles up to 95% of typical kitchen scraps, quietly, safely, and without any lingering odors. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines mobile content creation with cutting-edge features designed for versatile filming. It stands out with active zoom tracking, a first for gimbals, offering precise tracking even at a powerful 15x zoom, perfect for sports or live events. Multi-person tracking ensures flawless framing for group shots, making it ideal for family gatherings, camping trips, and meetups. Navigating everyday life no longer requires compromise with the Shuo Bro. Designed to handle curbs, single steps, and full staircases, Bro's advanced track system powers you up and down straight stairs smoothly and securely. Whether indoors or outdoors, you remain in full control, free from unnecessary detours. Bro's dynamic two-wheel drive offers unparalleled maneuverability, effortlessly crossing surfaces and obstacles up to 2 inches high. Drift into undisturbed sleep with a device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. Step into clarity like never before. The amzn 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. Introducing the iFrameX Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the iFrameX Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, iFrameX Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities. Blistering heat doesn't belong in your tent, RV, or tiny cabin. That's where the EcoFlow Wave steps in, built to dominate the elements with 4,000 BTUs of efficient, fast cooling. Whether you're parked in the desert or camped deep in the woods, this portable air conditioner changes the game with extended run times and intelligent control. With the optional 1008 WH add-on battery, you can power the Wave for up to 8 hours on eco mode, making it a go-to solution for off-grid cooling. The Laundry Turtle Collapsible Laundry Basket is a practical and revolutionary solution for handling laundry in your home. With its 26-inch large size, this innovative foldable hamper offers generous space for all your washing needs. Designed to simplify laundry chores, it allows you to easily grab and carry dirty clothes or move them from the washer to the dryer with minimal effort. Crafted for convenience, the Laundry Turtle collapses down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store and saving valuable space. The Akefly 3-in-1 Neck Traction System is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. One of the standout features is the 3-level red light pulse heat therapy, which targets deeper muscle layers. This therapy not only soothes tightness but also improves blood circulation,